Ladies and gentlemen, it is a beautiful day today here in Miami, Oklahoma, and we just found some really nice pre-owned Newell coaches. We're hanging out with Phil Cornelius.
Hey, Andrew.
Great to see you, sir.
Yeah.
I know the pre-owned Newell inventory situation has been pretty scarce lately. We're starting to see some really nice Newell coaches in your inventory. What's the current situation here at Newell Coach?
Well, you're right. It's been difficult to keep some. We've been getting some in and then selling them immediately, but we've gone out and gotten aggressive on trying to buy some inventory. We've also taken in some consignments. We're bringing in trades occasionally as well. Currently, we've got about 10 coaches available, ranging from a 2020 all the way down to a 2013. I actually just sold the 13 yesterday, but we've got a 14, a 16, an 18 that I'm hoping to show you here. Just a really nice coach. Then we've got a 19. We've got a pretty good selection for right now.
Here at the Newell Coach factory, I know these coaches go through an extensive PDI process, but what's the warranty process and what's the PDI process on these coaches?
You're right. They go through a very extensive inspection. Even if it's a consignment, we require the consignor to authorize a PDI and a preventative maintenance, and then go through and repair the items. If there's any repairs to be made, then we put it on consignment. It comes with that 2-year warranty, and that 2-year warranty is exclusively from Newell coaches bought here at Newell. That does not apply to coaches bought by private parties or independent brokers or independent dealers. It only applies to the coaches that are sold here. In addition to that, we're going to have actual Newell technicians perform the delivery and orientation. That is a huge benefit. Many of the problems that people have are just not knowing how to operate the vehicle when they buy a vehicle from a third party or private party. That whole package of buying it straight from the factory is a big advantage.
What's all included in that 2-year warranty, and how is the pre-owned 2-year warranty different than like a brand new Newell Coach warranty?
We put it in writing, and it's probably easier to tell you what's not included. I don't have it in front of me, but I know, for example, electronics are just 90 days. Glass is not covered. Wear and tear is not covered. There's a few things that aren't covered, but your major things and significant things are all covered under that warranty. After the first year of the pre-owned warranty, it's a $100 deductible per item. That's one of the differences between new coach warranty and the pre-owned warranty. If there's any warranty left on the engine and transmission that exceeds that, of course, that would be included as well.
We're here at the Newell Coach factory, where the service center here is top-notch. Several of the technicians have been here for 30, 40 years. Great company culture back there in the service department. If someone's traveling, different parts of the United States, what's the service network? Where can people go to get warranty work done on their Newell Coach?
Newell has servicing arrangements with independent servicing dealers around the country, and it'll depend on the item. For example, if it's an engine issue, you're going to go to a Cummins dealer or a Cat dealer, or whatever the engine is that you have. Transmission, same thing. Things like maybe an air conditioner, if there's a reputable RV firm that our guys can talk to them and work through that, we'll give them the credit card number, and the customer doesn't have to get in the middle of it.
Throughout my travels, I've seen the Newell Coach factory technicians at some of the top motor coach resorts throughout the country. How often do they travel, and how does that work?
Well, it depends on when the customers are going to congregate somewhere. During the winter, obviously, we're going to be down in the southwest and the southeast, and the summer will be at cooler locations. They'll be in some of those luxury RV resorts, but we also have rallies throughout the year where we'll have service available for our clients.
And then also the 24/7 customer service hotline, regardless of the age of the coach, to all Newell owners?
Correct. All the Newell owners have access to that service 24/7 for emergency support. They'll call in, they'll actually talk to an answering service at first, then they'll contact the technician. The technician will call the customer back.
Yeah, a lot of value in purchasing a coach from Newell Coach with that warranty, but you've got a coach that you really wanted to show us that's a consignment unit here?
Yes, just got it in here a couple of weeks ago. We're running it through the process now. The customer authorized us to fix everything that we could find. They're ready to get out of motorhoming, and they just said, make it ready to sell.
Sounds like a great opportunity for someone.
It's a 2018, so it's got the new P50 body style. It's got the Intrepid coach management system. It'll come with a 2-year warranty and a factory orientation, so it's going to be a great deal for somebody.
Phil, there's a lot of nice coaches out on the pre-owned line, but I can tell why you wanted to show the folks on YouTube this one.
Oh yeah.
This is a stunning spec. What is the story on this particular coach?
Well, this was originally a show coach. It is a 2018 model. It's got the Intrepid coach management system. It's got the new P50 body style that came out late 17 models. It's a great coach. You can tell very well maintained. As I mentioned earlier, the owner wanted us to do a very thorough inspection and fix anything that needed fixed, and we're doing it.
I'm noticing lots of really cool details in the design, like the two-tone cabinets with the underlit countertops. I know in the show coaches, Newell Coach always likes to show off what they're able to do, so I'm sure there's a lot of cool little stuff in this coach. You think you could show us around a little bit?
Yeah, let's take a look. We can start with the ceiling, and you can see where we've got, appears to be wood, but it's actually a 2x4 that's been wrapped in a product that has that wood texture. It even feels like wood.
What's the reason? Is that lighter than traditional wood, or what's the reason?
Yes, with any natural product, you're going to have expansion and contraction characteristics that you don't want when you're in a motorhome. It's also going to be much easier to clean when you have a synthetic surface.
So it's going to be more durable, hold up better over time. Now the cabinet doors here, they have a similar type face where you can feel the texture. Is that same style of wood, or what's going on here?
No, it's still the same cabinetry we've always used. We just have a lot more options as far as the laminate goes. Even the cabinet behind you can see that it's got a texture to it as well. Feels like real wood.
And then when we open this up, I'm seeing some iPad minis in there. What's the technology in this coach?
Well, we went ahead and got some new iPad minis to go with the coach, so they've got the ability to operate several of the functions with an iPad and not just the switches.
So all of that software programming is done here in-house at Newell Coach?
We actually work with another company to program them, but we do that all here.
Well, these are actually Apple tablets. You're not using aftermarket tablets.
Right. We saw the ceiling and also the ceiling styles. When Amber kind of took over, we started seeing some different ceiling styles that became available, and she's done a great job with this one as well. You even got the simulated ostrich skin here as well.
And then I always like to point out the indirect lighting shining up on that. Is it a faux ostrich skin?
It is.
Yeah.
It is.
Every square inch that Newell Coach does, everything is finished out. But what else is going on in this particular coach?
Well, the flooring has the ceramic tile all the way through. Notice the flat floors on both sides. All the Newells have the flat floor slide, so you don't have the step-ups that you have to work around. That's going to give you more storage. We've said before, be able to stand underneath the ceiling of the slide. Yeah,
the most interior space in the Class A industry.
Yeah.
And last time we visited you, you had brought a tape measure and went through every cabinet and measured. And now I think that your competitors are having customers show up with tape measures to test them out now.
All's fair.
This is a nice design with the booth over here on the driver's side of the coach.
That is a difference. A lot of times you'll see the galley on the driver's side, but in this case you've got it on the curb side. You've got the booth on the driver's side, sofa with the fold-out bed on that side as well. You have the desk with the pop-up TV, a little bit of storage behind the recliner here in this area. Every inch of storage space we can get, we're going to grab it. Pencil drawer, file drawer, and more drawer space here as well. You have a cord manager, but you also have the 110 electrical outlet with USB ports as well. Over here on the dinette, we also have the same type outlet with the USB port, so you can use this as a desk if you wanted to.
I'd just like to point out the little details, like this piece of wood that comes below the window here that ties in with those cabinets. All those little subtle details really tie the coach together well. And then is there sleeping here in the front of the coach at all?
Yes, you've got pull-out mattress underneath the cushions, and it'll pull out all leather sofa.
This looks like a little desk area here, and there's a spot for a chair. Now, is there a chair that comes with this coach?
There was a chair with it originally, and we'll get another chair to go in there whenever we sell it.
You can almost slide this ottoman over here and use this as a little desk seat if you wanted.
You could.
A lot of utilization for this.
The ottoman also has storage underneath. This has a central vacuum system. Looks like they used the ottoman to store the parts there.
The Newell Coach cockpit up here, you've got the huge digital display. What all is going on in this coach?
Along with the P50 design, we changed the cockpit a little bit up in the front area. You've got ability to access the coach management system up at the top, as well as be able to control some of the features on the dash itself. We can go in and change the dash setting even. For a tall guy, you can move the screen down. For someone that's a little shorter, you can move it up so that you're always going to see it through the steering wheel. You've got a diagnostic screen. You've got cameras that you can access in this area as well. You can also access access the cameras up here as well around the coach, so you can see who's outside the coach if you want. You also have one of these screens in the galley area as well as the bedroom. Plenty of access to the coach management system there.
Coming back into the galley here, I know we have a lot of storage. These underlit countertops really makes a difference. I know that's a very expensive option. When did Newell Coach start using those underlit countertops?
I believe it was around the 2014 models is when we were using this particular product. And what it is, it's actually a clear material that has a photograph on the bottom side of it, and the light shine through that photograph to give us that marble appearance, and it's kind of a three-dimensional look to it as well. Very durable product as well.
Very great look, and the way the design team ties that in with the backsplash and the cabinets, cutting edge design.
Oh, we've got a tremendous amount of storage in the galley. You've got pantries behind you. If you want, we can pull out some of the drawers.
Sure, just a little bit of storage here.
Yeah, you've got your overhead storage here. These are actually lighted cabinets with adjustable shelves. Small drawer at the top, but with a drawer for the trash receptacle here and storage for cleaning supplies behind that. Large space underneath the sink.
With the garbage disposal as well?
Yes, it does have an actual garbage disposal that goes into the waste tank. This is often used for the silverware, one of these two. Then you've got the dish drawer underneath that, drawer down below it. More drawers here, drawers at the dinette area as well. And then the pantry, you've already opened up the two pull-out pantries. You can see all of the storage here in this pantry with shelves as well. Even when we have a cabinet that has a little bit of a unique angle to it, we're going to make use of that space, and that's what we did here with the pull-out pantries down below. Moving back, you've got the built-in coffee maker here, wine glass storage up above, refrigerator. This one actually has the GE monogram that we started using about that time.
Very industrial, and it's beautiful how they finished that out with the same face like we've seen on the cabinets. Really looks like it's a piece of furniture that just was built to be in the coach.
Yeah, it just makes the refrigerator disappear, and it lengthens the hallway.
Now this is a bath and a half coach?
It is. It's a bath and a half. Also notice the built-in vacuum that we have down below.
Central vac.
Central vac.
Kick that open, sweep some stuff in there.
The receptacle for the tube as well, the vacuum hose. Here we've got the half bath. You've got storage up above the commode. Great medicine cabinet storage as well. With all the extra ceiling height, we're picking up storage. Everywhere that you see one of these cabinets, we're picking up more storage.
Beautiful tile backsplash.
Yes.
That goes about 3/4 of the way up the wall there.
And then we've got the Corian surround as well inside the window frame, so you don't really see the window frame.
That's kind of like a fogged window, so people can't see in, but you still get some of that natural daylight, or what do you call that kind of window?
Frosted window.
Yes, sir.
No voyeurism.
Right before we go into the bedroom, nice location for your stackable washer and dryer. You've got plenty of area up here to put laundry detergents. Real easy access there. Coming into the rear suite back here, this is a very nice feel and a lot of space. What's all going on in the bedroom?
We've got a 30-inch slide on this side in the bedroom as well. Valid slide back here in the back. Notice it is a flat floor. You don't have any kind of hump that you have to walk around or anything. But the storage in this particular suite is just amazing. You'll notice you've got storage here. Down below you can have short hang or long hang. Another closet space over here. Storage drawers down below. Now on this particular plan they put the nightstands, but also included short hang storage on each side as well as drawers down below. So you've got a fairly large bedroom. Now behind me you've got even more storage. Drawer storage, door storage, shelf storage.
I see a little subwoofer down there.
It's got surround sound in here as well. You can see with the Anthony Gallo speakers. I just can't talk about the storage enough. You've got storage everywhere. That's such a critical part of the lifestyle, is being able to take things with you. And so many times when we see pictures or videos that don't display this storage, it kind of gets lost. We like to point that out because you're not going to find the kind of storage that Newell has in other products.
When you really notice it is when people are staying in the coach and you go inside of their coach. Sometimes different motorhomes you'll see they've kind of like got stuff on the countertops or bins full of stuff on the floor because they run out of storage, and now it kind of really looks cluttered up. So when I go into a Newell coach, it's very rare that you find clutter because usually there's a spot to put everything. And just talking about hanging space here in the bedroom, you've got 4 or 5 different areas that you can hang stuff. You've got probably almost a foot of hanging space in each of those areas, so you've probably got 4 or 5 feet of bar space to hang clothes just in your bedroom.
Just in the bedroom, not including the back, and that doesn't include all the drawer storage for clothes that you fold up. We've got storage underneath the bed as well. A lot lot of times people will store the inserts for the booth, dinette underneath here, but you've still got storage for other things as well.
And what size bed is this?
This is what we call a junior king, in between a king and a queen.
And Newell Coach makes all of this bedding custom in-house?
We do. All that is made here. All the pillows are made here. So we keep it in-house as much as possible. It is a special size because whenever you're traveling, it's retracted so that you can still scoot around the end of the bed if you need to. So it's a special mattress that we make ourselves, and then we modify sheets to be able to fit it. We've eliminated the corners so that you can get around it a little bit easier.
Then a little more storage up top here.
More storage.
A lot of times when we see this, they have the projector option up there. It looks like this has the fixed TV.
This does have the fixed TV. It's got storage over there as well, but that's where some of your AV equipment is going to be.
I like that there's not big, deep cabinets covering over that window. You've got a lot of headroom above your bed. And then again, this slide room, I'm standing up inside of the slide room. Really a lot of space. When you wake up in this bedroom, it does not feel like a motor coach at all. This is like a luxury suite.
Great floor plan. I really like this floor plan.
Now, one of the biggest highlights of this coach is back here.
Oh, sure.
Check out the bathroom.
Let's go ahead and check it out. You've got more closet storage here. We're going to see even more than that. Drawer space down below, and then a hamper as well. As you come in, you're going to see a larger shower than what was standard during this year model. You've got just a tremendous amount of elbow room inside the shower to turn around. Over here you have a caddy to store all your shampoo and bath items.
Beautiful colors with the light cream colors that really complement these darker cabinets. And then the floor here with those small little tiles, a lot of intricate details in this coach.
Yeah, it's a pretty coach all the way around. And we've used a ceramic tile in this bathroom as well. Instead of a Corian, it's a ceramic with the marble look as well. And we've got a sink with the indirect lighting around the top of the sink. Quartz countertop. Again, more storage. Lots of medicine cabinet storage. More drawer space down below in the bathroom. Look how deep the drawers are there. A little bit of storage underneath the sink, more drawer storage. It all adds up.
Yes, sir.
You've got more storage above the commode for your bathroom tissue and anything else that you need in that area. And then you've got the closet space back here. Cedar line closets all the way across the back, in addition to all the storage we've seen so far. And then down below, you've got more drawer storage. I challenge anybody to find more storage than what you'll get in the Newell.
This show coach is a great opportunity for someone. Now, if someone wants to become the next owner of this coach, how much money do they need?
This coach is listed at $1,795,000. We have financing available. We take in trade-ins and give top dollar. This coach is going to have the 2-year warranty that we discussed earlier. This is one of the nicest coaches you're going to find on the market. This coach may not be in the budget that you're looking for. We've got a wide variety of coaches from 2013 to 2020. Occasionally we get one that's a 2022 or 23 even if somebody has decided to get out of the market. I've got one of those coming in pretty soon. Whatever your budget is, I can help you find what you're looking for. Give me a call, let me know what's important to you. We can go from there and find the perfect product for you.
Yeah, absolutely. Well, I know you've been helping folks find coaches for several decades and have access to some of the nicest coaches in the world. If someone is a serious and qualified buyer, how can they get a hold of you?
They can call me direct on my cell phone at 541-953-3113, or you can email me at philc@newellcoach.com.
Awesome, Phil. Always an honor to spend time with you and the team at Newell Coach. Really appreciate you. Also greatly appreciate all of you out there subscribing to the channel and liking these videos. We hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Thanks for watching. Give me a call.